Now let's talk about Bitcoin.
Yes.
BTC USD. So that's another long-term chart that I showed also last week. So yeah, last week we're here below the resistance by the 5 spiral. Now now it seems that we're going higher, or we're testing that resistance, and I expect that we're going to retest perhaps 10.5K pretty soon. The way it is right now, I don't see this going lower right now. I think it's more like the contrary. We're breaking out of this downward spiral that was keeping the price in check, was preventing the Bitcoin to go up. Now it seems that it may break out of this spiral and go higher. I have that's my weekly. Yeah, so the weekly, we snap back to the midline here of the square. So if we're able just to go a little bit above this and start a new week, then next week, in fact, on the new on sitting on this line, that will be like our confirmation that this is the new support level, and perhaps we'll continue the move upward. I have a chart. This is another weekly. So here you see that big square here. We're right. I mean, the price is being supported by this trend line here, and I expecting that we may have a big move up around, let's say, 11K before we have big resistance. So it seems that I'm not sure if the planets are aligned, but it seems that BTCs will enjoy a nice bump. It's already started, so let's continue.
Of course,
and ATH as well.
Yeah, they've declared Bitcoin now real money, so let's just celebrate that.
So it seems that cryptocurrencies and precious metals, they are both gaining momentum together at the same time. I think that this is refreshing, because I mean, if you look at the previous cryptocurrency bull market, precious metal was not participating at all. So maybe both will enjoy the success, or enjoy the bull market, basically. So we'll see, but it looks like both asset types are going up together, which may indicating it's more like people going out of US dollar, and they try to find a safe haven. So some people prefer cryptocurrencies, other more like hard assets, and people like a mix of those, like me. So we'll see.
No, it's always good to have diversity, because if one fails, then at least you have something different that you can bargain on. So you need to hedge the silver coins against Bitcoin. You can't just have one, eh?
Yep.
Yeah, no, it's a good plan.
Yeah, that's a daily chart of BTC. So here, another support. I believe we're going to
99884.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that is 9984. It's 10 grand is incoming. Well, I don't know what the date is that you have there, but I have the first week of August, the potential touching on the 10K.
Yeah. So that's, I mean, the circle here, the edge of the circle is right on 10K. So maybe in a few days we'll bump and hit 10K. That's totally possible. I mean, Bitcoin did bigger move before, so that's not a big percentage move to go there compared to
previous
what it
times.
has done in the past. So yeah.
Yeah. So initially everybody was joking with me about this chart, Keops. Everybody thought it was some scary witch hunt. When I was talking about Bitcoin with all these fancy shapes, I was really being joked about it, and now everybody is asking me the most about this chart. So I this is where I say it would easily hit the 10k. I say yeah on the 5th of August, but you know, looking at the slope it's taking, it could be much sooner than that, and it could even reach the stop portion here on the top, 10.67 somewhere there. If it was a few days earlier, it could have reached almost 11 in one bash, but you know, it passed that time cycle. So I
Yeah.
think if it goes up now, it will go to 10 and a half, you know, soon. And if it
Yeah.
doesn't, it will probably hit 10k by the 5th of August. And then from there, we will see whether it continues up or whether it's going to go down. But yeah, I'm very bullish still on Bitcoin, so I don't expect it to go down. As a matter of fact, it's just gone up a bit again in the last few minutes. It's 9.6k now, from 9.5 earlier. So it's doing well. I don't know. I have another Bitcoin chart that is very interesting that I like. Sorry, that's Ripple. There's Bitcoin. Okay, so this is my. This is also based on muddy numbers. So if you could just check it out here for the moment. So what I've done is I literally divide everything in eighths again, and then you can see my top level is 18750, and my bottom level here is 6250. So it's all in fives and in numbers. So if I auto space this, you could just see that, in my opinion, it's definitely heading for 9683 very soon. And if I just show you on the 30-minute chart how accurate it actually has been, and it's been like this for a while, you know, you could see, except that my circle shifted a bit here at the bottom. Let me just pull it up. You could see that it's actually been following this chart very, very well.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I've been trading it. If I could see it started dropping, I was putting in a buy target on those levels, and then yeah, then I was suspecting it could go up. Here and there it caught me out, but I would see that when pivot was upcoming, I was cautious about it. So yeah, these levels are very trustworthy. So yes, I think 9685 is very imminent, but going forward, you know, I think we could probably by the 25th be 9827, and yeah, we could go all the way up, yeah, to, in my opinion, 10.6 or
Yeah.
somewhere in that region, following this curve on the top slope. Unless we hit here resistance here on 9822 and go down a bit first, you know.
Yeah, it's possible. I mean, that's the 30-minute time frame, I believe.
Yes, this is 30 minutes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's very micro. So of course, you
Yeah,
will have
see,
some
there's my, if I
resistance.
put it in the daily format, you could see that, you know, it is, even on the daily, you will probably hit some resistance there. Um, because, you know, this is quite a strong resistance here.
Oh, that's nice though. I mean, assuming that this is legit, the setup is will be accurate. And I mean, just the candle formation. I mean, to me, it seems okay. So to go higher.
Yeah, no, it looks very good if I look on the daily. Mm-hmm. But I prefer on the specific chart, I prefer the 12-hour chart. It gives me a bit more following of the shape, you know. But you could see it's been following this pattern since it started reaching, you know, above 10K, going down, up, down, up, down, yeah. Up, down, you know, following these shapes quite a bit. So, you know, I kind of trust them by now. So, yeah, for me, I think we could reach this 9833 very easy. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't show you, but my my monthly chart is also screaming bullish for BTC. So another monthly that I'm
okay. You're welcome to share it. I can stop sharing it on my side.
Okay, good. Remember this one. So that's my one of my monthly that I'm closely monitoring on a daily basis. So I'm expecting this to go higher and connect or touch back this ascending trend line, and I believe that it will go maybe not this month, but yeah, maybe it can cut. It can go up to 10K. On other chart, it was also showing this. So we may go past here and touch this quite easily. So, but let me. Yeah, well. Well, kind of not at the end of the month, but there's only 1 week, so maybe next week will be we're gonna see a big rally and touch here. That would be nice. And if we go there, then there's a good chance that next month we'll go higher, 11K. Perhaps.
Okay, no, that sounds good. It sounds perfect. Yeah, and I have this theory that every now and then the pump is on a Sunday, so watch it out this Sunday.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. It's like people are bored on a Sunday and then they suddenly start trading.
Yeah. People are back from their weekend and now they look at
what do you mean?
on their monitor.
With COVID, we don't go anywhere. Weekends doesn't exist anymore. It's like nothing.
Yeah. Anyway, many are glued to their screen, whether it is the cell phone or the computer. But everybody is always monitoring the price. So.
Yes, that's very true. But yeah. Thanks, Keops. It was great to talk to you again. And I hope you're still corona free and you sanitize your hands all the time. Yeah, what can we do, eh? I think sometimes these things are... The sickness is one thing, but the measurements is something else.
Yeah, it's not easy to handle. So
no, but let's
we have to be patient and only go out when it's needed, and then and take some sun is good. But I don't necessarily go into public places if I don't need to. So
yeah, no, stay safe and be good, and all the best with silver and Bitcoin.
Talk to you next time. Bye bye.
Thanks, man. Bye.
Bye. Take care.